It's a matter of what diameter tool I can fit in there. I was measuring the width of the letters so I can get a good idea of what size tool I can fit in there. So this one has a 45-degree tip on it. Use 45-degree angle one, or the 45-degree engraver, and just do the outline. We could do a really deep outline, and that would give us a good sharp corner. And got these three letters pretty good. So now I can select the avoidance regions, and that will go around the like the holes in the A and the O, for instance. The way I've got it going right now is first going to do the engraving 20 thousandths deep with the 45-degree engraving tool, just the outline to get that angled wall like you want. After that, we're going to come back with a end mill and pocket everything out 20 thousandths deep so we can get a good film screen. You can run this through, it's called Verify. It pulls up a separate window that runs a machine simulation with the tools and the material and everything. I think I'm gonna shorten up the depth, go 10, see how that looks. There we go. So that's 10 thousandths deep. Looks like nothing's touching. I took that DXF and essentially just fitted it onto our theoretical piece of material and used a 45-degree engraving tool to contour all the lettering and the images, and took a 31 thousandths end mill to pocket everything out. Yeah, that is our tool. We have to get the plates cut to size.
Oh, there's our man right there. I got a favor I need to ask you. Can you shear this guy for me? Awesome. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Very much appreciated. All right, thank you. We need to find a couple of tools and get them tooled up. Looking for a 031 diameter, 46 length of cut. Find a collet for it. There we go. That is one ready to go. Set that right there. We need our engraver next. I think we should have one in here. This is a 1/8 by 90-degree engraver that we're going to use. All right. I think those are the only two tools that we're gonna need. The last one should already be loaded in the machine. So this right here is our height offset measuring machine. It basically just gives us a Z and X coordinate based off of our machine tools, machine connection taper. And that's how tall our tool is right now, that Z. All right, let's go back. Let's hit it. I think it's probably going to be about an hour, all things go well. Stop it for just a second. See where we're at. It's actually looking pretty good. Ready to go. Oh, there's one more thing it has to do. It needs to put that circle with the cross in it. Let's go ahead and finish the engraving. Looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that face up again, and we'll cut the parts out. All right, that's the end of our program. All right, there it is. That ink fill is gonna look good on this. Head on over to Ramon. Hey, you gonna have a minute? We have 2 new signs.
Done. Looks good?